Rainy season is over and summer is here in Japan. Temperatures are high with the humidity. It feels so hot, like 36 degrees or 97 degrees Fahrenheit. In the summer, we love to visit the beach and stay cool in the water. Join us as we go to a beach not too far from our house. It's quickly becoming one of our favorites. Lydia!
What?
Don't spit!
No,
Lydia, do you like this one? This beach?
I love it.
So how's the water feel?
Amazing. Watch this.
What beach are we at?
What beach are we at, Dad?
We are, I don't know the name of it. It's not, we're in Hikari, but the beach is called something else.
Yeah.
Niji. I don't remember. But it's in Hikari.
Niji Hana?
Yeah, it's becoming our favorite beach, maybe.
Yeah, I think so.
Proper beach.
Oh, goodness.
It's a little bit of waves, not much.
Just a little bit,
A lot more than we're used to.
right? It's like an hour from our house, so that's nice.
And there's not usually there's seawalls around most Japanese beaches, and this one's not.
It's the
Sort of in
mountains.
the
The
cove.
amount of water I can fit out.
There is a factor or something over there. But
Yeah, but
still.
it's in the distance though. Can't hardly see it. There's some boats out there.
Waves are fun. I mean,
Yeah.
what we're used to is like a lake.
Yeah, the one close to the house is more calm, so this one's fun to play in. How are you?
I have frizzy hair. My head hurts.
Yeah, me too.
Because mommy put it in a tight bun, but I'm okay.
You're okay. We're at a little festival in Hikari? Hikari at the beach that we just stumbled upon.
I know it may
Festival.
seem fake and cheesy that we accidentally,
But it's true.
but it's true.
Little did we know that we were in for a bit of a surprise at the end of our beach trip. Keep watching till the end to find out all about it.
Okay, so we're at the festival, Hikari, and I've got a cucumber on a stick with salt and hot sauce. My new favorite thing I've ever had at a carnival. It's great. It's good. And strawberry.
It's dripping. What do you want?
So they have like these baby bottle drinks. That one, that one. Even if it doesn't light up, it will be still, because you get to keep the bottle.
Yeah. Andrew, what did you get?
Too much.
He said,
Oh, you had fries,
he said,
candy apple,
And snow cone.
and a snow
I
cone.
only got fries.
It's pretty fun. What'd you get, Liddy?
I got baby bottle.
What flavor is it?
The lid's going wrong.
It is.
Looks like it's crossed threaded a little bit.
Yeah, it isn't. It's dripping.
Give me a zip.
Andrew wants to do the baby bottle too.
It lights up too.
Especially when I'm drinking it.
Here's mommy being fluffy. She got stuff on her shirt, and this is dripping, and she's
And my hands are sticky.
and her hands are sticky,
On
and
her
she almost
60s.
choked on a She almost choked on her little stick of
Cucumber?
cucumber.
Yeah.
And this is Daddy looking embarrassed to be with her.
We're going back to the party. That's right.
No, we're the party.
Oh, we're the party. That's right. We're the party and we're back.
It's going to get more crowded as the evening goes on.
After enjoying some yummy street food and getting something cool to drink, we went back to the beach to swim a little more and watch the sun go down. More and more people were crowding on the beach. To our surprise, we were going to have a front row seat for fireworks.
Where are we at?
Hikari Hikari, and it's Nijigahama Beach.
Say it again 3 times faster. Nijigahama. No, I don't know. I had to see it. What are we doing though?
We're gonna watch the fireworks at 8 o'clock.
How do we even know there were fireworks here?
We didn't. We didn't know that at all.
It's one of those weird things. We showed up to swim at the beach.
We came to swim at the beach, and lo and behold, it's a festival.
They're having a big festival. Ooh, fireworks.
So,
They're practicing,
sun is
isn't it?
setting, and we're gonna see some fireworks.
Yeah, that's right.
Well, we just finished the longest fireworks show that we've ever seen.
Most fireworks I've ever seen at one time. I think it said 3,000, over 3,000.
Over 3,000. It was 1 hour long.
1 hour long fireworks. You keep having a grand finale and you thought, oh, wow, that's great. And then it start again.
And everybody claps, and then it goes again.
That's about 5 finales.
Yeah, it was great though. We had a good front row seat.
Yeah.
Believe it or not, I fell asleep.
Yeah.
Yeah. I saw fireworks I've never seen before. Sounds I've never seen in 48 years.
Pretty cool. You're so silly. What did you get to eat?
I'm gonna get the pizza. I got basil and cheese pizza. And I'm gonna see what it tastes like. And I'm probably gonna use some of this.
A long time for some reason I was just craving that meat sauce.
You got spaghetti? Well, you got pizza.
Good too.
Did you like your meal?
It was good.
It was good.
Yeah.
Mine was good. What are we waiting on?
Chocolate pizza, banana.
Chocolate banana pizza for dessert. Nice. We'll come here again, I think.
Oh yeah.
We liked it.
Well, probably not this exact same. Maybe.
Probably not.
If we come to this beach again.
Yeah, that's true.
my gosh, you.
All right. How is it?
That chocolate, so it's good.
It's so sweet.
You like it? That's good.
Nice. Chocolate on my finger.
Yeah, what? Yeah, some chocolate in your finger.
We just finished our food and we're about to go back to the car. And then after that, we're just gonna go chill. But if I had to give you a 1 out of 1 to 10 review for this restaurant, it would be definitely a 9. But I would say it's really, really good, and we're gonna come back here again.
Yeah, bye.
Thanks for watching. We'll keep you posted. Japan.